everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kerala style chicken curry. Let's get started. Let's get started. Into this kadai I have added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Into this goes onion. Cook this for about a minute. To this I'm adding chopped garlic and chopped ginger and cook this for about a minute. And 2 slit green chilies. Cook all of these until the raw smell disappears. Onions, garlic, ginger have been cooked. It's now time to add the spices. To this I am adding turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, a tablespoon of pepper powder, a tablespoon of fennel powder, that is also called saunf, and half a tablespoon of garam masala powder. Cook all of this on a very slow flame. Our spices have nicely cooked. Here I am adding the chicken. And cook this on a medium to low flame for about 10 minutes until the water oozes out of this chicken. This is a good mix. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of salt to it. Mix well and let the chicken cook in its own juices for another 10 minutes. The chicken is partially cooked. To this now I'm adding thin coconut milk. This is the second extract of the coconut. Okay, now I'm going to get this cooking for another 15 minutes. Our chicken has cooked and it's smelling really good. Now it's time to add the thick coconut milk. In goes about a cup. Just cook for about a minute and switch off the flame. Now it's time to temper the curry. I've added about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Into this goes the mustard seeds. Two dry chilies. 2 green chilies, curry leaves. We are done.